Crocodiles belong to the family Crocodilidae and are part of the order Crocodilia, which also includes alligators, caimans, and gharials. There are 18 recognized species of crocodiles, ranging from the massive saltwater crocodile to the smaller dwarf crocodile. These reptiles are distributed across Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia, primarily inhabiting freshwater rivers, lakes, and swamps. Crocodiles are built for power and survival. They have long, muscular bodies covered in tough, armored scales called scutes, which provide protection and help regulate body temperature. Their powerful tails are used for swimming and defense, while their short, strong legs are well suited for both land and water. Crocodiles are equipped with strong jaws, capable of exerting a bite force of up to 3,700 pounds per square inch, making them one of the strongest biters in the animal kingdom. Crocodiles are semi-aquatic reptiles found in tropical and subtropical regions. They thrive in freshwater habitats such as rivers, lakes, and wetlands, but some species, like the saltwater crocodile, can tolerate brackish and marine environments. Crocodiles are highly adaptable and can survive in a wide range of temperatures and environments, which has contributed to their evolutionary success. As apex predators, crocodiles are carnivorous, feeding on fish, birds, mammals, and even other reptiles. They are ambush hunters, relying on stealth and patience to catch their prey. With their eyes and nostrils positioned on top of their heads, crocodiles can remain almost completely submerged while watching and waiting. When the moment is right, they strike with incredible speed, using their powerful jaws to clamp down on prey and perform a death roll to subdue and tear apart their meal. crocodiles are often solitary but may gather in groups when basking or feeding. They are territorial, especially during the breeding season, and will aggressively defend their space. Despite their fearsome reputation, crocodiles exhibit complex social behaviors, including vocal communication and nurturing their young, a trait uncommon among reptiles. Crocodiles are oviparous, laying eggs in nests made of vegetation or sand. Females are highly protective of their nests, guarding them from predators and helping hatchlings reach the water after they emerge. Interestingly, the temperature of the nest determines the gender of the offspring. Warmer nests produce males, while cooler nests result in females. Young crocodiles are vulnerable to predators, but those that survive grow rapidly and can live for several decades, with some species living over 70 years. Crocodiles are perfectly adapted for their semi-aquatic lifestyle. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are located on top of their heads, allowing them to see, hear, and breathe while mostly submerged. A special valve in their throats prevents water from entering their lungs while swallowing prey underwater. Additionally, their webbed feet and powerful tails make them excellent swimmers, capable of sudden bursts of speed when hunting. Many crocodile species are threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and illegal hunting for their skin and meat. Some species, like the critically endangered Siamese crocodile and the Philippine crocodile, face extinction due to human activity. Conservation efforts, including habitat protection and captive breeding programs, are crucial for their survival. On the other hand, species like the saltwater crocodile have rebounded due to legal protections and sustainable farming practices. Did you know crocodiles have been around for over 200 million years, making them true living fossils? Crocodiles replace their teeth continuously throughout their lives, with some species going through thousands of teeth. Despite their tough exterior, crocodiles have highly sensitive skin, particularly on their jaws, to detect vibrations in the water. As apex predators, crocodiles play a vital role in maintaining the balance of aquatic ecosystems. They help control populations of fish and other prey, preventing overgrazing of aquatic vegetation. Crocodiles also contribute to nutrient cycling by consuming carrion and distributing nutrients throughout their habitats.